Your lesson essential question is, how do we say time in different ways? So we'll be looking at different ways to say specific times. Now this lesson is a lot of vocabulary that you kind of just have to remember and get used to. So you'll have this page from your book to look back to as you're going through the lesson. Look at the times, count by fives to tell the time. What are other ways to name the same time? So this clock shows 1:15. We could call it 1:15. We could call it 15 minutes after 1 or quarter past 1. The reason we call it quarter past 1 is because if you cut the clock in fours, 15 is 1/4 or 1/4 of the hour. Think of money. Well, we just learned about money. There's 4 quarters in a dollar. There's 4 15 minutes in an hour. So quarter past would be 15 minutes after. This clock shows 1:30. We could say 30 minutes after 1 or half past 1. We say half because if we cut the clock in half, 30 is halfway to the next hour. This clock shows 1:50. So we could say 50 minutes after 1. So any minute after, you could just say that minute, those minutes after the hour. Times after the half hour, so any times on this side of the clock, we can read as times before the next hour. So 3:30, we can say it's 30 minutes before 4 or 30 minutes to 4. So we could say 30 minutes after 3 or 30 minutes to 4. 3:45, again, if you break the clock up into fours or fourths, 3:45, 45 is quarter of the way to the next, or quarter of the way to the next hour. So we can say 15 minutes before 4 or quarter to 4 because there's 1/4 of the hour left to 4. And this clock shows 3:50, so we could say 10 minutes before 4 o'clock. You're going to be practicing this today.